Guys, today we're going to learn how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. Now I suggest if you haven't learned how to multiply fractions yet, and if you also haven't learned how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers, that you go back and watch those two videos and do those activities before you do these activities, because you'll be making your life a lot easier, because this is actually really easy to do once you know how to do those two things. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing we have to do, the first step, is we need to convert the whole number into a fraction by giving it 1 as a denominator. Okay, so if we have our whole number is 3, we turn it into a fraction by giving it a denominator of 1, because when a fraction has a denominator of 1, the value of the number doesn't actually change, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. Okay? Once we have given our fraction 1 as a denominator, we then multiply the fraction as normal, and once we have done that, we simplify our answer by either simply simplifying it, or we may have to convert it into a mixed number, because more often than not the answers are improper fractions. Okay, so let's do a couple of examples together. Okay, so our first example is 1/3 times 4. Okay, so the first step we have to do is convert the whole number into a fraction. So we give it a denominator of 1. So it's 1/3 times 4 over 1 equals 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, now we need to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. 4 divided by 3 goes into 4 once, with 1 remaining, and our denominator of 3 stays the same. Okay, next we have 2/3 times 5. So we have 2/3 times 5 over 1 equals 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. 10 divided by 3. 3 goes into 10 3 times with remainder 1. So our whole number is 3 and 1/10. So 2/3 of 5 is 3 and 1/10. Okay, now I'm going to give you 3 activities to do, 3 questions, to do. I want you to pause the video when I say attempt the problems. Once you've attempted the problems, tell a partner how you solved your answers, and once you've done that, press play and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, good luck, and pause the video now. Okay guys, welcome back. Let's solve these. So we've got half times 7 over 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. The answer is 3 and 1/2. Okay. The next question, 2/3 of 4. So we have 2/3 times 4 over 1 equals 2 times 4 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So our answer is 2 and there is no fraction. Next one, 2/5 times 3. So we have 2/5 times 3 over 1 equals 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5 equals 5 goes into 6 once with 1 left over, and our denominator of 5 stays the same. And that's our answers. I hope your answers were the same, and now you're free to go on to the next activities.